Hi, welcome to Poverty Point Custom Channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and demo of the Vileda H2prO Flat Mop System. Let's check it out. So now we have everything out of the box. One thing I noticed right off the bat is there's no manual on how to set it all up. But if you look right here, they have all the steps included, but it's on the box. Just note when you're assembling, this should be your last piece because this is what's going to screw into your mop head. So now that we have our mop all assembled, we're going to add our microfiber cloth that goes on top. Quick setup, all you have to do is just literally bend it over the Velcro and it will stay on. So two options here, you can fill it up straight through the hole here, or if you have this somewhere else, you can always just pop it out and fill it out. So this is where all your clean water completely separated from the dirty water tank. We're going to add our cleaner. You don't have to, but I'll just add just a tiny bit. You don't want to add too much because it's going to streak your floors. And then you add your water. So now we have it all set up. You've noticed already that there's no battery for this. And one of the slips here, it's to wet the mop. And the next one is to just wring out the excess water. So this is just after one quick little mopping. You can see it picked up the dirt from the floor very well. The blue stripes has a little bit of a gritty kind of scratch to it. So I would do my floors, I would do my walls, but I probably wouldn't do my windows with this. Once you're all done, you take your microfiber cloth, put it in the wash, reuse it, and they recommend to reuse it up to 6 months. So after trying this for the first time, I'm really impressed with the quick setup. It was easy to use. I could do it with one hand if I wanted to. I know that my clean water wasn't getting into my dirty water. And now that I'm done, I'm going to put it away. And as you can see, it's super compact, so it's not going to be taking up a lot of room like my other mop, which I love as well. But when you have not a lot of storage space, this might work better for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave those there at the end of the video. And yeah, I hope this was helpful. Have a good day.